This is a new Ford truck that got overspray all over it, and we've been trying to clean it off, and we decided we would try using our clay rag or our Clay Mitt and the speed coat to keep Clay Mitt lubricated. And it's amazing what it's doing. You can see the overspray here, and go ahead with it, Sandy. Up here where we've been working with the Clay Mitt, it takes it right off fast as you can run over it. Now we tried both the Clay Mitt and clay bar first, and it was hard to get off, real hard to get off. But using the speed coat with the Clay Mitt, it's just working real good. So that's just a little tip I want to tell folks if you're trying to remove overspray or any kind of foreign particles, whatever, whether it's with bird droppings, whatever. If you're having a hard time getting them off, then you definitely might want to try the Clay Mitt and use the speed coat to keep the Clay Mitt lubricated. Does a great job.